Hello everyone, let's see how to fix EverBest shopping trolley bag US flag print with additional base plate 2023 updated model. Firstly, we need to remove the safety caps. Now we will fix the wheels. Wheel is not coming out because this sound ensures that the wheels are fixed properly. Now in any case, if you want to take the wheels out, push this button inside and pull these wheels. The wheels are out. Now we'll again fix the wheels. Now see how to unfold this. Fix it from the middle part. We'll fix the additional base plate now. This is the additional base plate. This is 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. We'll fix the bag now. This is the bag and this is the latch. We'll fix over here on the Velcro. It is the back pocket given to ease any keep or mobile phone, whatever you want. This is the side pocket. Also, there is an additional base inside given. This is the base. This is to tighten this trolley like this. EverBest shopping trolley bag is ready for use.